Hi guys, welcome to Pawan Vlogs. Today we will see Lenovo ThinkPad motherboard problem. Already have warranty. Before I open, I check already. We claim the warranty, then we receive new motherboard. I'll change the motherboard. See, mostly ThinkPad have more issue. If you change other brand SSD or RAM, happen shortage problem. After that have problem. If you use original Lenovo RAM, Lenovo SSD, no issue. If you use other, problem. Like if you use Crucial, any other brands, not good. Motherboard happened a shortage. You need to use only Lenovo, like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment. Bye bye.